snow accumulations between 5 and 7 inches. Where? Portions of southern Connecticut, northeast New Jersey, and southeast New York. When? From 1 p.m. Sunday to 4 a.m. Monday. Impacts, roads, and especially bridges and overpasses, will likely become slick and hazardous. Travel could be very difficult. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. Check local Department of Transportation information services for the latest road conditions. The coastal waters forecast from Sandy Hook, New Jersey to Fire Island Inlet, New York out 29.